Alright, hey guys, this is Lim, and this is my third video, so I appreciate the comments from the previous video. Anyway, today I'm going to show you guys a new phone that I just bought. It is the Huawei Honor 10. So the reason why I bought this phone is because I felt that it has a great specs for the price it charges. So what I bought the phone, it just costs about $400 and it comes with the latest Huawei processor, the Kirin 970, which is also found on the Huawei P20 and P20 Pro. So this is the top level processor that Huawei currently has. And the phone also comes with 6GB of RAM as well as 64 gigs of internal memory. So it's a very compelling package, I think, at that price. Oh, the phone also comes with a headphone jack. So for all you audio lovers out there, this is something that must be highlighted. So let's just quickly jump into the unboxing. So Huawei is promoting this as the first Honor device with an AI camera. So before we go into the specs, let's quickly get to the unboxing. Okay, so I've just cut off the plastics behind. So when we open the box, first and foremost, of course, we see the phone itself. So we'll put this aside. Further in, we get the SIM ejector, which looks pretty unique. And we have we have a case here. So there is some manuals and a case. It's a transparent case. It says I am Honor. Yeah, this is just some documentation. So what's more important is we have the charger. So apparently this is the supercharged charger by Huawei. So it's supposed to give you like 50% of battery in 25 minutes. So we'll test it out later. And here we have the USB cable. I don't know why it's packaged like that. It looks like it has been removed by someone before. Oh, and that's it. It seems like we do not have any included headphones. So yeah, what you get in the box is the case, the phone, the quick charge, supercharged, a USB Type-C cable, some manuals, and a pretty unique ejector pin. Okay, so now that we have got the unboxing out of the way, let's take a look at the device. So as you can see, it's a really beautiful looking device. Okay, so I've set up the phone already, and let's just take a quick look at the phone again because it just looks so nice. So just have a look. The sides looks really slim as well. And again, you can see the button which is really flush in it. So over to this side, and we look at the bottom. Yes, we do have the 3.5mm headphone jack. It's still here, and a Type-C port. So I think there's an IR blaster as well. Okay, so I've got this one set up. Alright, so let's take a quick look. Let me just unlock it. Yep. Alright, so on first glance, this is just a very quick impression. The phone feels snappy, of course, because it's brand new, and the screen looks really clear. Like, it's really vivid. You can't really see it on camera right now. I mean, it's really brighter than it really is than how you're seeing it on the screen right now. So the screen is bright. It feels really quick. What I don't like is, as usual, Huawei installs like a ton of applications for you. So it comes with a lot of bloatware, but you can delete those of course. And let's talk a little bit about this home button. So I don't really like the feel of this home button. Like, sometimes when I press it, I don't know like if it registers properly or not. So it doesn't feel really natural. I mean, sometimes it's kind of a hit and miss. So for me, I'm not really feeling it right now. So I don't like the home button. But of course, you can go to the options and switch that. Okay, so Huawei talked a lot about this Honor being the first Honor device to have an AI camera. So it's a 24 plus 16 megapixel camera setup, and on the front, when we have the camera, this you can see when you choose to shoot in AI mode, it will light up in purple. And what this mode does is it will help you to add some filter, or maybe just adjust the camera settings based on what it thinks is the best for your subject. So I will test this out more, and I will show you more pictures when I do the camera review. Okay guys, that's it for the first impressions. So just to quickly conclude, I really love the design of the Honor 10. It looks very premium and feels great in the hand. I also like the fact that face unlock works amazing. It is super fast and even better than the home button. So I can't talk much about the camera right now as I haven't fully tested out yet, but rest assured I will do so and share more in the full review. So what I really don't like right now is the home button. This home button is next gen in terms of the fact that it sits under the screen, but I just don't like how it feels. Like, it doesn't feel like it's there, and sometimes when you press it, it's a hit or miss affair. So I really don't like it, but let's see how it works out over the next few days. And yeah, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.